Standard 12th Business Mathematics, exercise 4.4, solve the following. 5th and 8th question is same, okay. So both the questions they have given in 5 and 8, the same question is given. So I have just written 5 and 8, both it is same. So dy by dx plus y by x is equal to x into e power x. So first we will have to bring it to the format, that is dy by dx plus 1 by x into y, which is equal to x into e power x. It is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So comparing these two equations, we can write p and q. So where p is 1 by x. So leave your y, write all the other terms. So it is 1 by x. And your q is equal to this whole thing. So x e power x. So the next step is integral of p dx, we will have to find it. So integral of 1 by x into dx. So integral of 1 by x, we will know log x. So log x. The next step is IF, integrating factor, you will have to find it. E power integral of p dx, we will have to find it. So that is equal to, this is your formula for your integrating factor. So e power, for that only we are finding integral of p dx before, okay. So it is log x. So you can raise it to the power of e as e power log x. So whenever e and log is there, you can remove that, otherwise it will go. So you will get your x over there. Now the general solution, you will have to find it. The general solution is y into if is equal to integral of q if dx plus c. So you'll have to substitute what we have got it before, that if, you'll have to substitute it here. So the next step is y into if is nothing but what we got, that answer, it is x. That is equal to integral of q is your x e power x. So just write x e power x into if is again x dx plus c. So the next line is yx is equal to integral of, here x power 1 is here, again here also x power 1. So when you are adding, it will become x square e power x dx plus c. So now you will have to go to your integral, but two functions are there. So x square is one function and e power x is one more function. So when you are clubbing together, you can use your Bernoulli's formula. So I'll just write the formula by using Bernoulli's formula. Your formula is integral of u dv is equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus etc. So this formula we will have to use it. So this is called Bernoulli's formula. When you have two functions, you can use this formula. So to pick out which you will have to take as your u and which you will have to take it as your dv, for that you have got one format, is the ILATE format. This you would have studied in your 11th standard and in your 12th standard beginning also it is here. So ILATE, first one is, this is algebraic and this is exponential. So here the starting is a only is there, so it is algebraic. So first you will have to take your algebraic term as your u, and your dv you can take it as e power x into dx. Let u is equal to, that is your algebraic term, x square, and your dv you will have to take it, that is equal to the next function e power x into dx. So this side we will have to do differential and this side we will have to do integral. So be careful and do it. So we'll just go for your differential. U dash is equal to 2x. Next u double dash is equal to 2. U triple dash is equal to 0. So till you get your 0, you will have to proceed it. Once you get your 0, you can stop it over there. Okay. Now coming this side for your integral, dv when you are integrating, it will become v, that is equal to e power x when you are integrating, it is e power x itself. Next integral is just write v1 because here we have written u dash, that is differential. U dash, u double dash, u triple dash, everything is differential. Put your 1 down, so it will become v1, that is equal to again e power x. So v2 is equal to again e power x. So since we are stopping here, you can stop here itself. We'll have to substitute in this formula. So integral u is nothing but your x square, dv is nothing but your e power x into dx. That is only we needed to find here. Okay, so that will become as your left hand side is equal to, now substitute everything here in this formula. U and v you will have to combine. So it is x square e power x. Next u dash v1, but minus is there, so put minus. U dash and v1 you will have to join it together, so it is 2x into e power x. The next one is u double dash v2. So u double dash and v2 answers you will have to club together. So you will have plus, from the formula it is plus 2 e power x. The next one is 0 only. So 0 anyway we are going to multiply by e power x. So you will get your answer 0. So I will just stop with this itself. So the next line is, you can take e power x outside. E power x everywhere it is there. So I am just removing it outside, otherwise taking as a common factor. So you will have x square minus, here e power x is out. So you will have only 2x plus here e power x is out. So you will have 2. So this is your right hand side answer for this one. We have got it here. So now what you will have to do is, you will have to substitute this value in your equation 1. So your left hand side is yx. So substituting in 1, that implies you will have yx is equal to this answer fully. That is e power x, x square minus 2x plus 2. So this is plus C. So this is the answer for your 5th question as well as your 8th question. Both questions are same. So I have just written. Once the answers are there, if you want, check it in your book. 5th and 8th are same question. Okay.